Alright, so I don't know if you've seen a previous video where I did an out-of-box review on this meat grinder 1.5 horse by Meet Your Maker. Find them at meetyourmaker.com. Not endorsed by them, but this is my first grind. I watched a guy do a grind with this and was really impressed enough I bought it. I've also watched their video on their site. So we're going to go ahead and grind up some pork, do some sausages, and we're going to film the first grind here. So we're going to cut away for a second. We'll be right back. Alright, so here we are. We're going to grind up some sausage today. This is my first grind with my new grinder. You kind of come around here to the front. You see we have the switch right here. There's a breaker, and then there's a switch. There's a forward and a reverse. Pretty simple. Forward, we're going to grind meat. Reverse, if it gets plugged up or it's not grinding right, hit it reverse for a few seconds, and then try it again. Anyway, so I got this set up with, I'm going to do 10 pounds of meat. Got two different styles. We're just going to do an original sausage, and then we're going to do a sweet Italian sausage. 5 pounds of each, total of 10 pounds. This grinder is supposed to go pretty fast. My 1/2 horsepower grinder that I had for years, this much meat would have probably took me about 15-20 minutes to grind through for the first time. So I'll get my plunger out. I've got it right here. I'm going to go ahead and probably be a little bit noisy while I'm grinding, but we'll see. And so here we go. I'll turn it on and start feeding. There's on. So haven't had to use the pusher yet. It's pretty much taking it as fast as I can get it in there. I got the medium blade on. Yeah, I don't think you need this at all. Hole's big enough that the pieces are falling. I got them at about 2-inch cubes. Meat's about 35 degrees probably. Okay, that's 5 pounds of meat. I don't think that was 30 seconds. Alright, so there was the first 5 pounds. That went pretty quick. I can see on that first grind. Oh, it just really looked good. It didn't even I couldn't keep up with it. I didn't even have to use the pusher. It hasn't even got dirty yet. So I'm going to go through and do the next 5 pounds, and then we'll come back and do a second grind on all of it too. So again, I don't think this will take 30 seconds, but reach around, turn it on, forward, push the meat to the hole, pushing around this guard. There's as fast as it feeds and as good as this thing works, there's absolutely no reason to even use the pusher yet. That's it. Wow. I guess to say I'm impressed would be an understatement. So, alright, we're going to change blades on it, and I'll cut away while I do that, and we'll come back and do the same thing with the fine grind and see if it goes just as quick. Alright, so I'm getting ready for the second grind. I took this apart. It was real clean and looked real good. So I was actually going to do a little bit of video of putting it back together. So I got the auger in there, got the cutter, it's going to snap on here. I got my small plate, notch on the end, goes right on here. So it fits like that, and then the clamp on the outside. Make sure the threads line up. Twist that down. Usually the fine grind takes quite a bit longer. We're going to go ahead and see. Again, just ground this first time course, 5 pounds of sausage pork. So here we go. Turn it back on. This is shoving things around. Should start coming out here pretty quick. Rotate this just a little bit so you can see what's going on. I can't stuff this thing quick enough to keep it full. Still haven't had to use this. I look down in there, I can't see the meat. All I can see is that auger running. So I'm going to let this run out while it's doing it. Let me get my next batch ready. About all we got there. And here we go with the next batch. Well, I'll have to say it's a little bit hard to force it in the hole with this guard on. Maybe not hard, but not what I'm used to. But then again, it goes so fast that really not a lot of reason to have to push it down. It's falling down through there pretty good. I thought it was going to back up for a minute, but it didn't. There's a little bit further on I'm going to push in there. Other than that, it's clean. Alright. Take that off. It's as clean as a whistle in there. So there's our sausage grind. Well, I guess to finish up my review on it, I wish I'd have had one of these years and years and years ago. Pretty impressed with it. I've taken meat before to commercial grinders and just dumped them in, and within a matter of minutes it was done. But at 10, 15, maybe 20 cents a pound for a home grinder, very good investment. Pretty happy with it. We'll continue to hunt this year, and I'm interested in seeing how long it'd take to grind up a whole deer. That may be one of my next videos. So anyway, for the money, definitely worth it. And I think that this is a company that's going to be good, stand behind their product, and I look forward to getting more stuff from them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll shoot another one when I'm stuffing the sausages probably. So thanks again. See you later.